Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the male sex hormone or testosterone. Okay, please remember this name. This hormone is especially found in male body, or it is responsible for the male characteristic in human. Okay, so please remember this name. What I said, testosterone. This is male sex hormone. Okay. Children, in our last life class, we had discussed about male sex reproductive system. I hope that was clear. So today it's of testosterone. We will discuss about it. So in our body, different glands are present. Okay, and master gland of our body is known as pituitary gland. Please remember this thing. It is present in our brain. Okay, or several other glands are also there in our body. About glands and all you will read in higher classes. Okay, in 10th also you will read it in neural control and all in that chapter, like about human hormones and human glands, how it works, endocrine gland, exocrine gland. These things you will read in 10th standard. But for 8th standard you have to learn one name. It is known as pituitary gland. This gland is situated inside the brain. Okay, this hormone is responsible for the development of male sex organ. Children, if you remember in our first class only, I have told you there are two types of sexual characters: primary sexual character and secondary sexual character. Okay, primary sexual character means when a baby born, that time generally we say either it's a boy or girl. Okay, so first sexual character which are visible with our eyes. Okay, on the basis of these sexual organs only we are able to say that boy or girl. But what is the secondary sexual character? When in teenage means when inside male body sperm production starts, and in female body ova production. Okay, these are the sex cells: sperm in male body and ova in female body. When these gametic cells or these sex cells start to develop or release, okay, they are just the body is able to firstly body start to develop them, and body can release them. Okay, are you getting my point? So production of sex cell start in teenage, and for development of these sex cells, in case of male testosterone is very important. In female body estrogen and progesterone. Later on we will read in female reproductive system, but for male you have to learn one name, it's testosterone. Okay, जितने भी टीन एज में चेंजेस होते हैं, हाइट, बॉडी, ओके, हेयर ग्रोथ इन बॉडी इन डिफरेंट एरियाज, in genital area also, armpits also, changes in voice. Okay, so these are the several changes takes place in teenage. In male especially it's because of testosterone. Okay, so the age, the stage when in male body sex cell production takes place, this stage or this activity in body is known as puberty. This stage is known as puberty. ओके, मेल में स्पर्म का प्रोडक्शन होना और फीमेल में ओवा का प्रोडक्शन होना, दैट इज इट फिक्स्ड इन वन एज ग्रुप, एंड दिस एज ग्रुप इज नोन एज प्यूबर्टी. बायोलॉजिकली वी कैन से दैट व्हेन बॉय इज रेडी टू बिकम फादर एंड गर्ल इज रेडी टू बिकम मदर. Okay, so this stage is known as puberty. Are you getting my point? So sexual characters, secondary sexual characters in male is responsible, it generally governed by one enzyme, in one hormone, and this hormone is testosterone. Okay, this is the male sex hormone. Like deepening of voice, growth of facial and body hair, as I told you, these are the several characters which generally found in teenage. Okay, and these characters are known as secondary sexual characters, and this stage is known as puberty. Okay, I hope that much is clear. So it is the structure of sperm cell, that also we had discussed, but one more time I want to tell you, because in life class the picture was not clear, children. So as I told you, this is the whole structure of sperm cell. One student has asked also several questions related with sperm cell, so that's why I am telling you plasma membrane. The rest, suppose you can compare it with one cell. स्पर्मेटोसाइट जिससे स्पर्म बनता है. ओके, न्यूक्लियस शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स द हेड रीजन and it covered by acrosome. Acrosome is composed of Golgi bodies. Acrosome is able to produce several enzymes, or you can say acrosome is a type of lysosome also. ओके, जिसमें डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम प्रोडक्शन करने की कैपेबिलिटी होती है. दे आर नोन एज लाइसोसोम्स. ओके, और लाइसोसोम जनरली जनरेटेड बाई गोल्जी बॉडी से ही लाइसोसोम बनते हैं. ओके, सो दीज एक्रोसोम आर एबल टू डाइजेस्ट ओवाज वॉल. दैट्स वाई एक्रोसोम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन हेड रीजन, देन नेक रीजन, एंड देन माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल स्पाइरल फॉर्म बिकॉज energy is required for movement, and mitochondria is the area where ATP synthesis takes place. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. This is, what is ATP? This is the energy molecule which is present in our body. Okay, so and this is the plasma. Rest of the portion which is left is known as plasma membrane, and rest of the part is shifted at the end portion. Okay, so this is the structure of sperm cell. I hope it is clear. In next video we will read about female reproductive system, and related notes will